In this video we are going to understand how to form words. First we understand alphabets and their shapes and the sounds, and then using these alphabets we try to create words. Words are group of sounds. We actually using the combinations and permutations of these letters and try to create a composite sound which is called words. I can give you one example. There's a word Baba, B-A-B-A. All children, when they start speaking, so this is the first word which they speak or they try to speak, and it is very easy for them to say Baba. Like Baba we have Papa, then Mama. So this Baba is a composite sound and it has many letters. In English, if you see, we have B-A, and here we have P-A, and then again P-A. So likewise in Urdu, when we say Baba, we need a Ba sound, we need Alif. Likewise in Papa, we need Pe sound, and again Alif. And for Mama, we need Mim and Alif. Now Baba, we have Ba, like Be, Zabar Ba, and then we have Alif. If you see in our previous video, we have learned that Be can assume all three positions: initial position, medial position, and final position, whereas Alif has only the final position. All alphabets, they have independent positions, but other than independent positions, they have initial, medial, and final. So those alphabets which can assume all three positions, we call them connectors. And those alphabets like Alif, which only appears in the final position or independent position, they are called non-connectors. We have to be very careful when we are dealing with connectors and non-connectors in one word. As we are seeing in case of Baba, Alif is non-connector and Ba is connector. So Alif can only take the final position and we cannot connect any letter after Alif, whereas we can connect any letter before Ba and after Ba. Therefore, when we are writing Baba, we will use the initial position of Ba and then we will use the final position of Alif. And then when we will connect it, we will get the script like this: Ba and Alif Ba. Since we have to repeat this sound, there is a loop, Ba Ba. So we will repeat this so that it looks together, Ba Ba. And for Papa, we will say Pa Pa, and here we are joining Pe with Alif. And for Mama, we have the Mim and Alif and Mim and Alif, because Pe, Mim, Be, they are connectors, so we can connect them with the next letter, whereas Alif is non-connector, we cannot connect it with the next letter. Let's deal with another example. We have a word Masjid, M-A-S-J-I-D. J-I-D. Masjid or mosque. In English we call it mosque. Now in masjid we have one sound like meme, mus, ma, m, ma sound, and then s sound, seen, j sound, jeem, and d sound, dal. So the main letters that we may need are meme, then seen, then jeem, and then dal. Masjid. Now if you see, the seen is a connector, so we can join seen with any letter before and after. Dal is non-connector, it only appears in the final stage, whereas jeem is also a connector. So jeem, we can connect jeem with the letter before that and after that. So far as meme is concerned, meme is again a connector. So we can connect any letter before meme and after meme. So only a letter which is dal is non-connector, and all other letters, they are connectors. So the sequence is meme, seen, jeem, dal, masjid. So meme, we need the initial position of meme. So this is the initial position of meme. For seen, we need middle position because we have letter before seen and after seen. So we need one connector here and we need one connector here. And then for jeem, we need one connector here and we need one connector here in the beginning. And for dal, we need one connector in the beginning. We don't use this shape in the final stage, we use dal like this, and we have the connector here. So when we will join, it will be mas, meme and seen, then this jeem, we write jeem, and then this is the connector of dal, and then we will write dal. Masjid. Right. So masjid mean mosque in English. So in this way we connect different letters in order to form a word. Let's see another example. There's a word in Urdu, doodh. Doodh or milk. In English we call it milk. Now in doodh we need a letter dal, then we need letter vav, and then we need another dal. And if we say doodh, we finish the heavy sound in the end. Doodh, doodh. So there is he in the end. If you see the connector table, vav is a non-connector. So why vav only takes independent position or final position, and he is a connector. We can connect it, we can bring it at any place, initial, medial or final. Dal is a non-connector. So dal only takes independent position or final position. Therefore, when we will write doodh, dal can take independent position or final position, so it is the first place, so it cannot be a final. We will use dal only in independent position. Then we cannot connect it with the next letter. Vav it is non-connector and we cannot connect it to any other letter, so it will go as it is, as independent. Again dal. But here we can connect with the previous letter, but dal we cannot connect with the other letters, so here again will come in the independent position. So we will continue this practice in the next video with more words and vocabulary. That's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.